Did you know Velcro, the everyday hook and loop fastener, was inspired by something surprisingly simple: a burr stuck on a dog's fur. This is one of the best known examples of biomimicry, when humans copy nature's genius. In 1941, a Swiss engineer, Georges de Mistral, went on a hike in the Alps and noticed burrs, plant seeds, stubbornly clinging to his clothes and his dog's fur. Under a microscope, he noticed that the burrs had tiny hooks which naturally latched onto the loops of his clothes and the dog's fur. George spent years prototyping a material that mimicked this hook and loop connection. In 1955, he patented his invention Velcro, from velour plus crochet in French. Initially, the textile world wasn't impressed until NASA used it. What do you think NASA used it for? Engage in the comment below.